The James Webb Space Telescope has been unraveling some of the deepest mysteries of the cosmos, peering further into space and time than any instrument before it. It's revealed galaxies older than we ever thought possible and structures that defy the known laws of physics. But now, it has captured something that goes far beyond current scientific understanding. At the very edge of the observable universe lies an object that has left astronomers stunned. It's unusually bright, strangely shaped, and doesn't resemble anything previously seen. While some scientists believe it may be a type of distant galaxy never observed before, others suggest something even more unsettling, an anomaly that could challenge everything we think we know about space, time, and the very nature of reality itself. But that's just the beginning. The James Webb Space Telescope has also detected unusual anomalies in the expansion of the universe. Objects that seem to violate the Big Bang model. Cosmic structures that may hint at the presence of other dimensions, or even alternate universes. What exactly did Webb see? Why are some experts calling this a crisis in cosmology? Could we be witnessing the first tangible evidence of a reality beyond our own? Let's explore the revelations shaking the very foundation of astrophysics, here on Waves Discovery. When the James Webb Telescope captured its latest deep-field image, scientists expected to find ancient galaxies stretched and dimmed by the passage of time and the expansion of the universe. Instead, they found something that doesn't make sense. A mysterious object, far too bright for its distance, has remained luminous despite being located billions of light-years away. According to the Standard Model, light from such ancient objects should be redshifted and faded. Yet this object appears vibrant, as if untouched by the aging effects of cosmic expansion. Even stranger is its structure. Early galaxies are typically irregular and chaotic, just beginning to take shape. But this object appears organized, massive, and highly evolved, despite supposedly forming only a few 100 million years after the Big Bang. Some researchers believe this might be an entirely new class of cosmic structure, never before classified. Others fear it might reveal a fatal flaw in our understanding of the universe's origin. If this object truly is what it appears to be, our entire cosmological model may be incomplete, or worse, completely wrong. For nearly a century, the Big Bang theory has served as the leading explanation for the universe's origin. A rapid expansion from a singularity that gave birth to galaxies, stars, and planets. But now, James Webb's observations suggest the early universe might have looked nothing like we thought. Among the most shocking discoveries are massive, well-formed spiral galaxies that existed when the universe should have been too young to support them. Galaxies of this scale typically take billions of years to form. And yet, Webb is finding them at a time when the cosmos was still in its infancy. This raises a disturbing possibility. Is the universe far older than we think? Or, was the Big Bang not really the beginning? Nobel Prize-winning physicist David Gross has described these findings not as minor anomalies, but as a full-blown crisis in cosmology. If some galaxies follow expected evolutionary paths while others seem to violate fundamental laws of physics, then something far deeper is at play. Could we be witnessing evidence of a cosmic event even older than the Big Bang? Or perhaps even signs of a parallel universe intersecting with our own? Digging deeper into Webb's data reveals even more mysterious phenomena. The telescope has identified strange luminous structures that don't resemble galaxies, stars, or black holes. These peculiar objects were abundant in the early universe but seem to have vanished not long afterward. No one knows what they are. Some scientists theorize they could be composed of exotic forms of dark matter or energy, substances that shaped the early universe but have since disappeared. Others go even further, suggesting that these entities might not be from our universe at all. Could they be remnants of a parallel reality? The first observable proof that our universe is not alone? The implications are staggering. If these anomalies represent remnants from a previous universe, or evidence of alternate dimensions, then the James Webb Telescope may have just captured something no human was ever meant to witness. For generations, scientists believed the Big Bang marked the beginning of time. That space, matter, and energy all emerged from a singular explosion. But what if that's not the whole story? Prominent physicists like Sir Roger Penrose propose a revolutionary theory, conformal cyclic cosmology. In this model, our universe is just one in a series of cosmic cycles. Universes are born, expand, and collapse, giving birth to the next in an eternal loop. What if Webb has found evidence of that? Among its discoveries are supermassive black holes that formed impossibly early. Black holes that should have taken billions of years to grow. If they didn't form in our universe, they may be relics from a previous one, surviving the collapse of an older cosmos to seed the next. If true, this would fundamentally rewrite the history of existence. Our universe may not be unique. It may not even be the first. And if something came before us, what comes after? In one of the most controversial discoveries, Webb observed a galaxy dubbed F200DB045, estimated to have formed just 160 million years after the Big Bang. According to all existing models, that's not nearly enough time for such a large and complex galaxy to exist. It appears fully formed, massive, and luminous beyond what should be possible. This raises three terrifying possibilities. Our understanding of galaxy formation is completely flawed. The universe is significantly older than we believe. Or, something else entirely, something outside the known laws of physics, is at work. And this isn't an isolated case. Webb continues to identify strange, bright objects that don't fit any known classification. Objects that appeared briefly in the early universe and then disappeared. Some think they're composed of exotic matter. Others believe they're echoes of a previous cosmos. But the most unsettling theory? These objects may belong to another universe. Webb's findings are also challenging our understanding of the universe's expansion. Since Edwin Hubble's discovery of redshifted galaxies, we believed that space itself is stretching in all directions. But Webb has uncovered inconsistencies, regions of the universe that don't seem to be expanding uniformly. Some evidence even suggests that the rate of expansion varies depending on the direction. If true, this contradicts Einstein's cosmological principles, and forces us to ask, is the universe expanding at all? Or are we witnessing something else entirely? Some scientists now speculate that cosmic expansion might be an illusion, perhaps the result of deeper, unknown forces. What if time itself behaves differently on a cosmic scale? Could we be seeing the collapse of an ancient universe, not the birth of a new one? The Big Bang, once considered the unquestionable start of everything, is now being re-evaluated. As new data pours in from the James Webb Space Telescope, it's becoming clear that our current models cannot explain everything we're seeing. From galaxies that formed too quickly, to black holes that shouldn't exist yet, to the detection of objects that defy classification, the telescope is challenging every assumption we've made about the cosmos. And most remarkably, it may be showing us that the universe didn't begin with the Big Bang, but is just one link in an infinite cosmic chain. The James Webb Space Telescope was built to answer the universe's greatest mysteries. Instead, it has given us even bigger ones. A universe more complex, more ancient, and possibly more interconnected than we ever imagined. And the most haunting question remains. If everything we know is being challenged, what else might we be wrong about? This is just the beginning of a new era in cosmology. As Wave's discovery continues to explore the boundaries of space and time, we invite you to join us on this journey into the unknown. What do you think the James Webb Space Telescope has discovered? Are we glimpsing proof of a multiverse, or are these findings simply misunderstood data? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below. And if you want to stay ahead of humanity's most astonishing discoveries, be sure to subscribe to Discovery at 2.0.